In today's video, you will find practical work in chemistry, assignment, experiment, and you observe the experiment, write observation and inference or deduction. Assignment also I will tell you. Now, in today's practical, let us see, take a small amount of a given substance in a hard glass test tube. A small amount of substance you will take in the test tube, and then you fix the test tube with a cork fitted with a glass tube. Now you take this test tube, hold it with the help of a test tube holder like this. Like that you will hold it, and now heat this first gently, then strongly, and you observe what is the color of the substance, light blue or greenish blue. Color of the substance, see, light blue or greenish blue, and whenever we will heat it, then see its color will change. This one color will change, and some colorless gas will evolve. That gas will come through this outlet tube. That gas we will test by bringing blue litmus paper, by passing the gas through lime water, like that. Let us see. First I am here heating this test tube. First gently, this is blue litmus paper. We can check this with the help of this blue litmus paper. Gas is coming here only. Check this with blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper is here turning pink. Now pass the gas through. Now you will heat the substance and pass the gas through lime water. This is lime water I am taking here in the test tube. Lime water is taken. Take this lime water, and now we will heat this test tube content and pass the lime water through, pass this gas through lime water. Now see, is there any effect on lime water? Gas I am passing through lime water. Is there effect? See, lime water turns milky. Pass the gas through lime water for long time. Now bring this camera closer. See, lime water turns milky. Pass the gas through lime water for long time. Now milkiness gradually disappearing. When gas is passed for long time, then milkiness gradually disappears. Now see, milkiness disappears. When gas is passed for long time, again milkiness disappears. And whenever you will warm this test tube, this content, when again you will warm or boil, then you will see that milkiness again will appear. See, again it will become milky there. If again it is warmed, become milky again. It confirms that blue litmus turns pink. Blue litmus turns pink. It means the gas is acidic. And lime water turns milky. Passing for long time, milkiness disappears. On heating, reappears. The gas is colorless and odorless. The gas is CO2. Substance turns from light blue to black. Hence the given substance not confirmed. We are expecting maybe copper salt, copper carbonate and changing to copper oxide. Expecting just, but we will confirm by other test also. Now take a small amount of this given substance in another test tube. A small amount of the substance in a test tube, and then add few drops of dilute sulfuric acid or dilute hydrochloric acid to it. bring closer. A small amount, see, brisk effervescence of colorless, odorless gas. Brisk effervescence is observed. Brisk effervescence of colorless, odorless gas. That gas is same, which was turning lime water milky. But we can test it again also. We can test this gas also. We can test this gas also. Now take a small amount of lime water and let us check this. Pass the gas through this lime water. You will see that lime water again turns milky. Lime water turns milky. It means same gas is there, colorless gas. The gas is CO2. It confirms. And another thing, to this blue content of the test tube, here I am adding slight or you can use another test tube. Let us see, this test tube is very hot. I am taking the content of the test tube, this salt in a test tube, clean test tube, and adding dilute hydrochloric acid to it. Brisk and effervescence. See, next time, brisk and effervescence. Again adding. See, brisk and effervescence is observed. Like that, small amount adding it and checking. Brisk and effervescence is observed. Take a small amount of the content of this test tube and in another beaker, another test tube taken, and to this content I am adding few drops of ammonium hydroxide solution. Now see, few drops I am adding ammonium hydroxide solution. It once come and disappears. It means some acid extra is there. Now in the beginning, see, extra added, then there was in the beginning some precipitate was there and it dissolves it to form a deep blue solution. It confirms that the given compound is of copper. Now let us see their flame test. Now for flame test, I make a loop on the end of platinum wire, bring on the non-luminous part of this Bunsen burner and see the color of the flame. See, this is bluish green peacock blue flame. Color of the flame is color of the flame greenish blue peacock blue flame is there. It indicates that the salt is of copper, and see, greenish blue flame peacock blue flame is there. Now it confirms it means the given salt is of copper. The gas is carbon dioxide, hence the given sample is copper carbonate. Now I am going to tell you assignment. नाउ असाइनमेंट, इधर चले जाइए, आइए सी, आराम से। Here assignment, you will write this one. First was, take a small amount of given substance in a clean hard glass test tube and heat it first gently and then strongly. Here pass the gas over moist blue litmus paper, I have shown there, and here pass the gas through lime water in excess for long time. Take a small quantity of given sample in a clean and dry test tube and add a small amount of dilute sulfuric acid to the sample. To the solution obtained above, add NH4OH solution first in small quantity, then in excess. You have observed there, on adding excess there was blue solution. Perform flame test with the given substance. You have performed test also. This assignment you will write in your copy. Now like that you will complete your practical. Then one practical you have completed today also, and you will do that. Now that's all for today. फिक्स कीजिए, यहाँ फिक्स कीजिए। असाइनमेंट आ गया सर।